A wave to the crowd from the two-time Wimbledon champion and also the defending champion in Birmingham, Petra Kvitova, who's made it through to the semifinal stage in 2018. And her opponent in this semifinal will be a familiar one, Mihaela Buzarnescu, the fast-rising Romanian. Space was there. She was just caught up in the court a little bit, Buzarnescu. This time, Kvitova breaks through. It was 30-love in that game, Buzarnescu. Crunch that return. Buzarnescu hard and down the middle to draw another error. We're back on serve, 3-2.
Game, Miss Kvitova.
Well, tricky position for her to be in, Buzarnescu. She knows if she just puts that ball in the middle of the court, allows Kvitova to attack, she may take advantage of that situation. Kvitova going for that big shot straight away.
Or sometimes it's just too good.
Game and first set, Miss Kvitova.
Missed the first service in that game. Kvitova, however, produced some big second ones. One break separating the players in that first set. It's the defending champion who takes it, 6-3.
Just without hesitation. So good at placing herself so quick and really have a lot of time to control the point and hit her shot.
Oh. Well, did have a 30-love lead in that game. Second time she's been broken in that situation, but facing Kvitova, especially on a grass court, she can make the quick turnaround in a game. She did so there. A set and a break to the good. Ooh, it's the 1-2 combinations that are coming, but on the second serve.
Just waiting to see if it was going to go in.
30-14. Game is
Nets the forehand. She gets that cushion. The double break advantage for Kvitova. Looks like well on her way now to the final once again in Birmingham, 5-2.
Second set, and by 1 set to love.
And with some chalk, Kvitova seals her place in the Birmingham final once again. Very, very good performance from the defending champion who beats Mihaela Buzarnescu 6-3, 6-2.